Yes, now we'll discuss the the equipotential surfaces due to a dipole. So these field lines are the electric field lines originating from positive charge and ending at the negative charge, right? So this is the first equipotential surface. This would be the second equipotential surface. This would be the third equipotential surface, and there will be a point at the center यहाँ पे, because potential due to this is minus kq by r plus kq by r. There will be a line, or say this will be a equipotential surface at center at which its potential and its potential will be, yes. So this is for negative charge. Again this is for the second equipotential surface. This is the third equipotential surface. Now what is the difference between this and this? These are equidistant, right? These are equidistant, but here if you observe, the equipotential surfaces are closer because there is a force of attraction between both of them. And other side, right hand side, inka distance comparative to left hand side, they are closer, but right hand side they are farther, right? Net charge at center 0. So we consider this as this straight equipotential here. Again right hand side they are closer, but left hand side ye distance is different. And if we observe it from a distance, we will say that equipotential surface vanishes because there is no charge. Net charge of a dipole is 0. So that is how equipotential surfaces look like for a dipole, right? Yes, one more correction here. When we are taking equipotential surfaces, because V is proportional to R, so for lesser distance potential will be more, for higher distance potential will be less. So if this is say 50 volt, this would be 20 volt, this would be 10 volt and so on, right? Not lesser to higher. So thank you Gagnesh for the same. So at a smaller distance the value of potential will be higher, at higher distance the value of potential will be lesser. So that is how we draw equipotential surfaces for a dipole, equal and opposite charges. Now if we take same charges, suppose if we have taken same charges, positive positive or negative negative, for dipole we have to remember center में lines will, the potentials will be closer, बाहर की side दोनों side the potentials will have more distance, right? Now we will take two positive charges, this is positive and this is also positive, right? We know the electric field lines. $90 and then like this. Right? So all the field lines are outward because they are repelling, right? These are the field lines due to two positive equal charges. Now if we draw the equipotential surfaces, the equipotential surfaces will be like this. Now I am not drawing in dotted lines. Yes, the equipotential surfaces will be like this. Right? So this side it will be closer as compared to the other side. Similarly for this side closer, other side farther, this side closer, other side farther, like that. So outwards due to repulsion these field lines will be, the equipotential surfaces will have more distance as compared to the right side, जिसका just opposite. यहाँ पे equipotential surfaces close थे, right side में और left side में they were having more distances, right? And for positive charges more distances here between equipotential, and ये side पे the potentials are closer, ये side पे potentials are closer, or we can draw an envelope like this. What does it means? It means that when a dipole is observed from a distance, the net charge, as I told, equipotential vanishes, the net charge 0. But when two positive charges are viewed from a distance, they are observed from a distance, they look like a bundle of charges, because the equipotential surfaces look like that. So they will appear as a bundle in which two charges are there, and it will appear like as if there is no charges are there, because they go on increasing. The distance is more on outer sides, the distance is more on the potentials are closer on the outer surface, so that they look like this, they look like a bundle of the charge. So that is how equipotential surfaces are for dipole and for similar positive charges. Any doubts, please ask. Yes, as Gagnesh pointed out, I'll repeat the point once more. Say this is a positive charge, or rather than taking positive charge, we have taken positive charges twice. There are two surfaces, ये surface 1 है and ये surface 2 है. इसका potential है 50 volts, इसका potential है 20 volts, right? Now tell me the direction of electric field lines. Say these are two surfaces, the potential of this surface is 50 volt, the potential of this surface is 20 volt. Electric field is always perpendicular to the equipotential surface, right? Electric field, ये electric field and equipotential surface में क्या relation होता है? 90, 90, 90 at every point on the surface. We discussed it earlier also. For wavefront and rays, similarly for electric field lines and equipotential surfaces, they always act at 90 degree. ये कोई भी surface है, इस surface से जो electric field line निकलेगी, that has to be 90, that cannot be at theta. ये theta नहीं हो सकता. If it is theta, this will be E cos theta, this will be E sin theta, because it is this side, so we will take this component. Force will be Q E cos theta. Force is Q into E. कौन सा component लिया है हमने? E cos theta. Now when electric field lines we are assuming like this, and we find that if electric field on any equipotential surfaces, charges do not do any work done, right? Suppose this is a equipotential, यहाँ पे भी potential same है, यहाँ पे भी same है, यहाँ पे भी same है. VB minus VA is work done upon charge. अभी VB और VA दोनों same हो गए, equipotential surfaces में potential same हो गया, तो VB VA both are same, तो VB minus VA is 0. Work done per unit charge is 0. Work done is 0. So equipotential surfaces आप किसी भी point पे लेके जाओ charge को, work done will be 0, right? When work done is 0 means the charge is not experiencing any force, and when charge is not experiencing any force, this force is 0. It means Q E cos theta is 0. Q cannot be 0, E cannot be 0. It means cos theta is 0. It means what is theta? Theta has to be 90 degree. ये वाला angle नहीं हो सकता. It has to be from the surface. It has to be at the 90 degree. We discussed it earlier also. So similarly I have discussed two surfaces. एक का potential है 50 volts, एक का potential है 20 volts. So what will be the direction of electric field? Direction of electric field will be perpendicular. अभी perpendicular upward or downward, that you need to tell me. This potential is plus 50, this is plus 20. What will be the direction of the electric field? This will be perpendicular to the surface. Direction upward होगी या downward होगी, and why? Please justify. Higher potential, lower potential. Higher potential, पहले वाले का 50, दूसरे वाले का 20, तीसरे वाले का 10. Now tell me the direction of the electric field, whether it is upward or downward. Electric field lines move from higher potential to lower potential, so the direction should be downward, correct? So the direction of electric field will be downward. So if you know the equipotential surface, you can find the electric field. If you know the electric field, you can find the equipotential surface. It is as similar to wavefront and the rays. If you remember the ray diagram, you can easily find out the wavefront, and if you remember the wavefronts, you can easily draw the ray. तो किसी भी इक्विपोटेंशियल को देख के वी कैन ड्रॉ इट्स इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड लाइंस. अगर इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड लाइंस याद है तो वी कैन ड्रॉ द इक्विपोटेंशियल सरफेस. एंड इक्विपोटेंशियल सरफेस शुड ऑलवेज बी एट 90. हर एक पॉइंट पे 90. हर एक पॉइंट पे कितना एंगल बनेगा? 90 ही बनेगा. दैट यू हैव टू रिमेंबर, राइट.